The Pretoria Magistrates Court is going to deliver in the bail hearing of police captain accused of raping a 20-year-old female trainee. Now, the accused is 59-year-old Amos Mokwena. He allegedly raped the trainee in his office after threatening to dismiss her for failing to salute to him. Patricia Visagie, you've got more on this story. Goodness me, it's almost ridiculous reading the intro. I can only imagine what it's like covering this kind of story and what we're in for today. So perhaps you want to give us a bit of background on what we're expecting.
Well, good morning, Leanne, and of course to our viewers. Of course, he's expecting to hear his bail bit outcome here at the Pretoria Magistrate Court. We also expect, members from the police union pop crew who said that they will be picketing outside of court. So a lot of activity that we expect, and we're wondering whether that will turn out as they have planned, as it is raining, and you understand the cold weather that has also creeped in. So outside, we're monitoring what will happen there, as of course there are a lot of voices that have condemned this particular action, and particularly, and if you take into consideration that a second victim have come forward with similar allegations, making this particular story even more disturbing, as you would understand that this possibly opens up to perhaps other victims who might also come forward. Of course, during the bail arguments that were heard before the court, the defense for the accused, the captain, obviously speaking for him, they alluded to the effect that the charges against him are fabricated. This is to tarnish his good name and really just to humiliate him, and he is obviously denying all the accusations against him, but it seems like there is damning evidence that is compelling, that obviously dents his version of events. We've already heard some of the activists that are saying that he should not be getting bail. A lot of voices that have come forward condemning this particular action. Leanne, you'd also consider the fact that this particular matter played out at a time when you had a wave of gender-based violence-related incidents that obviously made headlines throughout the country, and you had this particular incident that was reported early May. Last week when we spoke to a pop crew, they were having a series of pickets at various police academies in Gauteng, Hammanskraal, here in Pretoria West, one of the biggest ones, of course, where they were condemning these particular actions, saying that the police academy spaces or facilities have to be safe spaces for, in particular, the young females who are coming into that space, who are looking for employment and who later have to become police officers and deal with similar issues in society, and they cannot find themselves violated in this particular manner. And they've called on, of course, the top police management to deal with these incidents, full investigations that they have called for at the various academies to just get to the bottom of what's happening, or whether there are other victims, and just how rife are these type of incidents possibly. So these are the conversations that are linked to this particular court case, and today obviously we're hoping to hear exactly whether the captain will be getting bail or not. It's back to studio.
All right, Patricia, thank you. Looking forward to your coverage on this particular story.